Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to reset TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. After that, you have to click on the profile and you have to click on the three lines that are above. You click on the setting and privacy. This type of page will appear in front of you. You have to identify the free up space. Click on this option. Cache it will appear in front of you. You have to click on the clear. Then your TikTok will be reset. That's all. If you are eager to grab freebies, want to explore fantastic sample offers and score exclusive coupons, spanning a wide range of products from cutting edge gadgets to beauty essentials, then watch the video you are seeing on end screen. Also consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.